Hi, and welcome to Philly Box Breaks, box break number 5. We're opening a box of 2011-2012 Panini Crown Royal tonight. This is the listing for the Winnipeg Jets, which ended on April 5th at 4:44 Pacific time. And then also tonight was the first night that I did not have some of my listings sell, so I wanted to show you that they were in fact listed. Here's the webpage for it. The unsold teams, you can see 0 bids next to. For the Crown Royal tonight, it's Phoenix, Ottawa, the Islanders, Canadians, Wild, Kings, Panthers, Stars, Jackets, and Ducks. They will be my teams in the break, but they were up for auction, so that you guys know that they were available, and we weren't just keeping them for ourselves or anything. Without any other things, here's the list of buyers. There you can see the unsold teams at the top, and then the rest of the list of people who purchased the team. Alright. And then lastly, the timestamp on my cell phone. It is 8:50 p.m. on Thursday, April 5th. The break just concluded about an hour ago. I will break it tonight. As soon as I receive all payments, I'll upload it. And we'll get started. Good luck to everybody who purchased a team. And almost forgot. The serial number on the box is NE. Let it come into focus. 99175745. One, two, three, 4 packs, an empty box, and a checklist. Alright, pack number 1. In the first pack, we have a base card for Ray Whitney for the Phoenix Coyotes. We have a base card of Tyler Ennis for the Buffalo Sabres. We have an autograph rookie card of Colin Greening for the Ottawa Senators. That is not numbered. Spacer. We have a base card of Trevor Linden for the Vancouver Canucks. And we have a base card of Stephen Weiss for the Florida Panthers. Second pack. We have a base card of Brandon Dubinsky for the New York Rangers. We have a base card of Kerry Lettinen for the Dallas Stars. And we have a Royal Lineage card of Adam Henrique, Ilya Kovalchuk, and Joel Nieuwendyk of the New Jersey Devils. This card is not numbered. Really nice hit for the New Jersey Devils. 3 swatch card, Henrique, Kovalchuk, and Nieuwendyk. And as you can see, it's not numbered. We have a rookie card of Brandon Nash for the Montreal Canadiens. And that card is also not numbered. And we have a base card of Vinny LeCavalier for the Tampa Bay Lightning. Third pack. We have a base card of Henrik Lundqvist for the New York Rangers. We have a base card of Steve Mason for the Columbus Blue Jackets. We have an Ice Kings Crown Royal card for Steve Yzerman for the Detroit Red Wings, and that card is not numbered. We have a base card of Rick Nash for the Columbus Blue Jackets. Spacer. And we have a Scratching the Surface signature of Jonas Gustafsson for the Toronto Maple Leafs. It's a sharp looking card. And that card is not numbered. And our last pack. We have a base card for Alex Pietrangelo of the St. Louis Blues. We have a base card of Tim Thomas for the Boston Bruins. We have a Mythology jersey card of Brendan Shanahan for the Detroit Red Wings. As you can see, that card is not numbered. We have a Ruby Rick Nash for the Columbus Blue Jackets. That is not numbered. And we have a base card of Yaroslav Halak. All right. And now for the base cards, I will random them now off on random.org. Let me get this set up here. We will remove all the hits. So we'll take off a Columbus Blue Jackets for Rick Nash. We'll remove the Brendan Shanahan Detroit Red Wings jersey card. We'll remove the Jonas Gustafsson Toronto Maple Leafs. Remove the Red Wings have already been removed. The Montreal Canadiens for Brendan Nash's rookie card. We'll remove the New Jersey Devils for that nice 3 jersey lineage card. And we'll remove the Ottawa Senators for the Colin Greening autographed rookie card. All right. And now we'll get on to randomizing the list. The team on top after the third randomization will be the team that wins the all of the base cards from the box. After the first randomization is the Anaheim Ducks. After the second, it is the New York Islanders. And this is the one that matters. The third time, it is the Boston Bruins. So the winner of the Boston Bruins will receive all of the base cards from the box, along with any hits that they received. All right, I'll go through the hits one more time. They were an autographed rookie card of Colin Greening for Ottawa. They were the lineage triple patch for the New Jersey Devils of Henrique, Kovalchuk, and Nieuwendyk. There's a Brendan Nash rookie card for the Montreal Canadiens. The Ice Kings insert for Steve Yzerman for the Detroit Red Wings. The Jonas Gustafsson Scratching the Surface signature for the Toronto Maple Leafs. The Brendan Shanahan Mythology jersey for the Detroit Red Wings. And the Rick Nash Ruby Parallel base card. Thank you to everybody who paid a purchase. The cards will ship out tomorrow, Friday the 6th. And we will get them out to you. As soon as all the payments are made, we'll drop them off at the mailbox. Thank you very much again for bidding, and hopefully I'll see you at our next